teacher and all my classmates. First of all, I would like to pay my high respect to my beloved audience. I am standing here to be present my topic to you about world record. But before I get to start it, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Chan Kim Sarong. I am 9 years old. I have studied at the International School. I have learned preschool group 1, part 1, the tiniest dog alive in the USA. This cheer who measure 15.2 cm long from her nose to the tip of her tail. That incredible. Part 2, a man called John Von Ballen, 159 kilograms, on his head for 33 seconds. Nobody has ever balanced anything heavier on their head before. It can have been very comfortable. Part 3, the largest swimming pool was built in Chile. It is 1,000 meters long. It is inadvisable to swim more than 1 lap unless you are a very powerful swimmer. Be careful, don't try it with the other and too quickly. Part 4, one of the most unusual record is held by a dog. It was able to hold 5 tennis balls in its mouth at the same time. After the dog had finished, he barked very loudly with excitement. Finally, I would like to say